Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Inspiron. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Inspiron has a strange screen and you can't see properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning display or LCD cover, which can occur from physical damage or wear over time. If left unattended, the problem could worsen, leading to more extensive damage and higher repair costs. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement screen compatible with your Dell Inspiron. Begin by turning off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Ensure you are working on a flat, static-free surface. Using the plastic prying tool, gently insert it into the seams of the laptop's base to carefully open the case. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips in the process. Once the case is open, locate the display connector, which is typically situated near the hinge. You may need to remove a few screws to access it fully. Carefully disconnect the cable by gently pulling on the connector. At this point, inspect the screen for any visible cracks or damage. This will confirm if it needs replacing. To remove the faulty screen, unscrew the screws securing it to the frame, typically found at the corners. Be cautious here, as these screws can be quite small. Once unscrewed, gently lift the screen away from the back cover. When installing the new screen, align it with the mounting points and screw it in place, ensuring a snug fit. Reconnect the display cable by pushing it firmly back into its connector. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After reassembling the case, power on the laptop to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If it is, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, be sure to handle your device with care and avoid placing heavy objects on it. Regularly clean the screen and keep it protected from dust and moisture. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.